In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about problem solving. You know, when there's a carpet cleaning job that went bad, how can we fix it? Stay tuned to find out more. So let's talk about problem solving. You know, you've cleaned a carpet and you got a call back, it doesn't look perfect. We hate it when that happens. Perhaps it's recurring spill stains or a traffic lane that still looks a little grungy after you're done. Dingy condition throughout the building, wicking, browning, any of those problems that are very common with hot water extraction, particularly on a commercial glue down carpet, or even an end cap job that you didn't quite get it nailed down. Here's a very simple process. We've talked about this before on Encap TV, but I really want to emphasize it because just the other day someone was talking on one of the message boards trying to solve a problem carpet. And it's just so simple with a two-step process. So let me show you how to do it. To start with, we want to talk about our Microfiber Scrub bonnet. The Microfiber Scrub bonnet has these scrub strips and it's microfiber. Those two things together do a really awesome job to pull off that surface soil that may have wicked up from the bottom, those recurring spills, the dingy traffic lanes, you name it. A microfiber bonnet's going to do a great job. So if you're using a rotary machine or better yet an orbital machine, use the Microfiber Scrub bonnet to get that commercial glue down carpet looking good. It's going to do a great job. Now, secondly, in addition to using the Microfiber Scrub bonnet, we've got an additional trick up our sleeves. Using Encap-HydrOx along with a Microfiber Scrub bonnet is the ultimate problem solver. Any kind of problem you're going to run into, any situation that you've been called back on, these two things together will take care of it for you. So if you've cleaned a carpet, hot water extraction or an end cap job, and you've got an issue, a little problem, perhaps the carpet's just so heavily loaded with soil deep down in the backing of the carpet, it's not your fault, it's been neglected, come back in with your Microfiber Scrub bonnet and Encap-HydrOx and you'll look like a rock star. So hopefully this little trick is going to help you put it into practice. I can't emphasize it enough when it comes to really challenging carpets that are giving you trouble. It's just one more way we want to help you max your end cap here at Excellent Supply. If we can help you in any way, just reach out to us. We're here to help you be successful in your commercial carpet cleaning business. And please share your comments below how perhaps you've used Microfiber Scrub bonnets and or Encap-HydrOx together to fix problems. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you would and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.